Yesterday, I did this video of integrating GLM 5.1 with OpenClaw through an API key. This morning, when I came and tried to run this OpenClaw TUI, it started the OpenClaw in terminal, but then as I gave it first, even not the first prompt, it started giving me authentication failed error. The reason being is that I showed that API key yesterday in my video and then I simply deleted it and created a new API key, and that is why it is giving me authentication failed. So in this video, I'm going to tell you if you update your API key of any model provider, how you can also get it updated in OpenClaw. So let's get started. In OpenClaw's enhanced security, the password or key is stored as auth profile. Auth profile is a named credential record stored by OpenClaw, so you would need to run this command. So this is what is linking this OpenClaw with a provider like Jaifu or Z.ai in our case, because I'm using GLM model, and it is going to integrate it with our API key or OAuth token, so the gateway knows how to authenticate request to that provider. So press enter. It is going to ask you what you want to do, so let it run. And we just want to go with z.api key. You can also go with coding plan global or coding plan cn or global. I believe I went with GLM coding plan yesterday, so press enter and now just paste your API key here. And once you paste your API key, you can just simply press enter. Still it doesn't mask it, so I'm just going to paste my key and then move forward to the next screen. Or you know what, you can look at my key. This is my key, go use it. I'm going to rotate it after before publishing this video. Anyway, the reason why I just wanted to show you this is because you might get surprised that it is still defaulting to GLM 4.7 and not using the latest GLM 5.1. In that case, just go to my channel, watch this video where I have not only shown you how to use GLM 5.1, and also I have given you the full config file in first pinned comment. Anyway, so don't worry about it, but this is where this is a way of updating your API key for any model provider. By the way, you just need to go with your provider and then it is going to update it for you. And now as you can see that when I have said hello, it just came online and it has started talking, and you can just keep talking with it or whatever you need to do. Also, if you want to verify which models are configured or available at the moment, just do OpenClaw models list and it is going to show you which model is default at the moment for us. Takes a bit of a time, reads the config file, and there you go. So this is the one which is default and configured our GLM 5.1 here with bit more information and as around the context length and other information. And that's it. This is how you update your API key or OAuth credentials. Any issues, let me know in the comments. Happy to help out. Please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. And please also check out my channel, like the video, subscribe, and consider becoming a member, as that helps. Thank you for all the support.